A highway robbery in the middle of a snowstorm. KCCI's Pepper Purpura went to Des Moines East Mixmaster, where a man stole a car and attempted to steal another one.
In a winter storm like this, we could all use a helping hand, but one woman's kindness might have cost her. Off the side of the interstate, in the blistering cold, crime still persisted Friday morning. 28-year-old Jermaine Shetwood Ware facing charges including robbery, theft, and operating while under the influence. According to a post by Des Moines police, a woman picked up Ware, who was walking in the cold. But shortly into the drive, he violently assaults her and attempts to steal her car. But then the winter weather steps in.
227, the thief didn't make it very far. He got it stuck in the snow, and now he's out trying to flag people down.
Stuck on the side of the highway in dangerously low temperatures, another person pulls over for Ware.
Someone apparently stopped to check on the mail that was flagging people down, and he stole somebody else's car.
According to court documents, Ware took off in the second person's car. An Iowa State Patrol officer tracked him down on Interstate 35. He then spun the vehicle into the median and was arrested. Ware is booked in the Polk County Jail. Police are still investigating this incident. In Ankeny, Pepper Purpura, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.